Snowstorm Fern 2026. I walked up on the hill here, take a look around. We didn't get a foot, but worse, what we got is ice. We got about quarter inch, half inch of ice, and it's raining right now right here in Bandy, Virginia, and throughout this entire week. I think the temperature is supposed to drop down below zero, not get very high. Today is the max warm day, so we'll see how we do, but we're kind of iced in the holler. Hopefully we'll be able to get out. I'm on duty for work, so, and I'm a good brother. He's out with VDOT, plowing those roads, putting that salt down, brother. Be safe out there. All you guys be safe. Lord bless. See you soon.